in a lot of cases, in the legacy layer, no one knows how it really works. There's a bit of equipment in the corner in a lot of cases that no one dare touch. I don't know if this is ringing any bells in the room, but it's of such an age that Freddie used to run it or built it or used to support it, is no longer with the company or has passed on. For whatever reason, it just works and they're scared to touch it. They don't know what's going on. So this becomes very important. We can do both physical to container conversions and virtual to container conversions, taking the known good ones and zeros in the way they're working today in a risk-free proposition, because we just export out in an OVA, an open format. We then do a conversion on that open format into the Droplet container, and we'll leave the ones and zeros as they were. Everything still works in the same. All the dependencies are there. You can do a proof of concept. We offer 2 days worth of free professional services around every Droplet opportunity because it's great slideware. I can show you demos, and demo we'll run back at the stand if you're interested to actually see the back end of Droplet and some of the mechanics behind it for any of those more technical in the room that want to see how we do the ones and zeros, what the end user performance looks like. It's just a click at a shortcut, it shows their app. No retraining, just to reiterate that. So we are able to take the known good, what's running now in that corner that no one dare touches, make it work in a Droplet, and then that frees you up. You're no longer bound to that piece of hardware. You're able to then put that in the cloud if you want, put that on another piece of bare metal if you want, put that on another virtual platform if you want. Scale that out, load balance it, put highly available structures in place that you won't have today in some of that world, because it's just a physical box sitting doing that one job. It's a risk. If that blows up, we've had lots of scenarios of companies going on eBay, buying parts for systems that they have to keep alive because it does a critical job. We divorce, remember, the application and the server infrastructure away from the underlying platform, freeing the choices up of where you run it. In some cases, it needs to be at the edge. In some cases, it needs to be able to work offline. We have a story for that. We can run offline at the edge. We can run centrally in a more Citrix type of way. We can integrate into Citrix, into VMware Horizon, into AVD, or do a combination of all.